Hi Joe, thanks for being here with us on board. Can you introduce yourself to our readers?
Yes, I'm Joe Kane, and my business is display standards. I teach people how to get good pictures from electronic display devices. In doing that, I work in the professional broadcast and post-production world. I work with manufacturers of equipment that is related to display devices, and I also work directly in providing consumers with program material to help them understand their role in getting a good picture at home.
So can you tell us a bit of your history, if I may say so?
My history in this industry got started at Eastman Kodak. I worked there for nearly 10 years, and we worked on a project trying to make film look good on television. And it was in a time period when all the news was shot on film and was being transferred, and electronic news gathering just started. And it was one of those many times in history when they said film is dead, long live film. And so we tried once again to make film look a little bit better on television. And after 10 years at Eastman Kodak, I left the company to come out to Hollywood to work in the post-production community, and started working with post-production houses, started helping them be more consistent in their image quality in the product that they were generating. And I later got involved with the Society of Motion Picture and Television Engineers in helping to reaffirm standards for the way a display device is supposed to function. And as part of that, the post-production community said that if we, meaning SMPTE and our set of standards, wanted the industry to conform to a particular way of producing programs, they invited me to go out and help the consumer appreciate all the effort that they were doing. And the rest of my career has been involved, or a lot of my most recent career has been involved in trying to help the consumer. It started with a Laserdisc called a video standard, which was really the first video reference to video that had been done. Everything else had been done on paper. This was the first time we actually used video to describe video. And from there, it went on to a program called Video Essentials, both on Laserdisc and DVD. And we've now moved into a third program called Digital Video Essentials. And there are multiple versions of that program, the French version of which is just now coming on the market. So we're continually introducing new parts to that program. That program is going to be alive and well in the high definition domain. It's already out in 2 different high definition versions, and it will be coming out in more versions in the future as high definition formats become available.
So, in your opinion, what's in store in the future? I mean, for video recording and, content?
The presumption here is that you're asking about distribution of high definition to consumers.
Correct.
And how is high definition going to come to consumers? Well, of course, broadcast is present in the United States and has been present in the United States since November of 1998, and we've had tape formats, the DVHS format as an example, that has been used for direct distribution to consumers, and we are now evolving into DVD formats. And of course, there is competition there in multiple formats that would be coming out on the market. In addition to that, I see internet delivery of high definition being a future, and probably, in my own mind, probably a much larger form of distribution probably a larger form of distribution than DVD. I actually see the video on demand capability of the internet, of being able to get you pictures, get you high definition content long before you're going to be able to get it on DVD.